Okay, so in line graphs question, let us just first see the diagram and then we will solve the 5 questions based on that diagram. Okay, so the diagram is given here and the point which is written here is percentage of profit earned by two companies X and Y over the years. So these are the profit given. Okay, and these are two companies. That is dark one is X and the light one is Y. Okay, so these are the two companies given and these are the years which is given. Okay, over the years. So this is the diagram, this is the understanding of the diagram. So let's see the first question. What is the ratio of income earned by two companies in the year 1997? Okay, so we have to find the ratio between X and ratio between the Y. The ratio of the income between X and Y in the year 1997. So this we have to find out. So first we should know that in this type of question, in this the expenditure, salary and income is there. So in this thing we should know that what is the complete value. So the complete value is expenditure. So expenditure is the complete value and that is 100%. Okay, and income will be what? 100 plus profit percent. This thing we should know, because the complete value is always 100% and this expenditure plus profit will give us income. Okay, so how much we are spending, that is expenditure, and how much we are getting the profit, that is profit percent. So if we will combine this thing, we will get the income. So the profit earned by X is how much? 40. Okay, so 100 plus 40, and this how much you will get? 100 plus Y, how much it is? 30. So 100 plus 30, that is equals to 140 upon 130. So 0 0 will get cancelled and the ratio will get is 14 is to 30. So in this way, this thing you should know. Okay, to solve all the questions of this type of questions very easily. So let's move on to our next question. So let's see the next question, that is, if the profit made by the company X in the year 1999 is 25,000, what is the income of that company? Okay, so we know that the profit percent of company X in 1999, that is, see, 1999 is here, so company X is the dark one, that is 50%. Okay, so 50%, we know that this is the profit percent made by company X in the year 1999, and that amount is given as how much? 25,000. So this much is the profit given. Okay, so this can be equated to this. Okay, so we have to find the income, and we know that the income is how much? 100% plus profit percent. So 100% plus 50%, that is 150%. So 150% will be how much? So 50% is to 25,000. So we have to find 150%. So 50 into how much is 25,000? 50 into 500 is 25,000. So this also we have to multiply with 500. So 50 into 5 is 75 and we have to put 30. Okay, so the income will be how much? 75,000. So in this easy way we can solve all the questions based on this profit percent or in expenditure and salary. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So let us now see the next question, that is, if the expenditure of the company Y in the year 2000 is 20,000, find the income of that company. So expenditure is given of the company Y in the year 2000. So in the year 2000, company Y, the profit percent we know is 50%. Okay, so the expenditure is always 100%. So 100% is given as 20,000. Okay, and we have to find the income. So income is what? Expenditure plus profit percent. So that profit percent is 50. So 150% will be the income. So we have to find the income. So 100% is this much. So we have to multiply 200. So in this also multiply 200. So 30. So 30,000 will be the income of that company. So in this way you can find this question. So let's see the next question, that is, if the income of the company Y in the year 1998 is 16,000. Find the profit earned by that company. Okay, so you have to find the profit earned by that company, and the income is given of the company Y in the year 1998. So in 1998 and year Y. Okay, so what is the profit? Let us see. Okay, so 1998 and year Y. 8 and year Y. So 40%. So our profit percent is 40%, and income is given. Okay, so income of the company is given. It means 140% is given, because 100% plus 40% is the income. So 140%, that is 16,000. So we have to find the profit percent. Okay, so we have to find the profit. So profit will be how much? 40%. So 140% is 16,000. So 40% is how much? So this is not a multiple of 16,000. So we have to do the cross multiplication. So 40 into 16,000 upon 140. This and this. Okay, let's take as x upon 140. So 0 get cancelled. 2 into 2, 2 into 7. Okay, so this will become how much? 32,000 upon 7. So this will come in decimal, so you can get the approximate answer. Okay, so let's move on to our next question. Now let's see the next question, that is, if the income of company X in 1998 and 1999 is equal and the amount invested in 1998 is 25,000, find the difference in their profit. So we have to find the difference in their profit. So the amount invested, if the income of these two companies are same. Okay, so if the income of company X in these 2 years, it is given as same. Okay, and the amount invested is 25,000. So we have to find the difference in their profit. So if the incomes are same, so we can directly find a difference in their profit. That is, so first we have to know the difference in their profit percent. So the difference in their profit percent is, that is company X in 8 and 9, 1998 and 9, and the company X, that is 20 and 50. Okay, so 50 minus 20, that is 30%. So we have to find the difference in their profit. So 30% of the amount invested, means expenditure is given, that is 25,000. So 30% of 25,000 is how much? So 10% is 2,500. So 30% will be 2,500 into 3. That is 125, 12,500. So this will be the answer. So friends, subscribe our YouTube channel to get the latest update of our videos and upcoming government jobs, and to get the complete video series of aptitude, reasoning, English, computer awareness and banking awareness. Visit our website visualcard.com. So thank you for watching this video.